Have you ever wondered why your local business isn't popping up on Google when people literally search for exactly what you offer? Don't worry, you're not alone. But here's the thing, Google isn't ignoring you on purpose. You just need to make it fall in love with your business. So how do you do it? Well, I'm about to break down exactly what Google wants and how you can give it to them without needing a tech degree or spending a fortune. Ready? Let's go. First up, Google My Business. This is your golden ticket. Claim your listing, fill out every section. Yes, even the ones that seem pointless. Add photos, your hours, and respond to reviews. The more info you provide, the more Google trusts you. Next, keywords, but not the boring kind. Imagine what your customers are typing in when they're about to spend money. Best bakery near me, 24/7 plumber downtown. You get the idea. Sprinkle those phrases naturally into your website, your posts, even your image descriptions. Now reviews, these are your secret weapon. Ask happy customers to leave you a review on Google. The more the better. Reviews tell Google, hey, people like this place. And Google loves places people love. Don't forget about local links. Partner with local blogs, directories, or even neighboring businesses. A shout out or a feature with a link to your site? That's basically sending Google a love letter. Last tip, keep everything fresh. Update your info, post news, share events. Google wants to see that your business is alive and kicking, not just another ghost listing. So if you want Google to start sending customers your way, these steps are non-negotiable. Claim your space online, fill it with value, and make it impossible for Google to ignore you. Now go give Google a reason to show you off. Your next customer is just a search away.